Question says the bond dissociation energies of X2 and Y2 and XY are in the ratio 1 is to 0.5 is to 1. Delta H for the formation of XY is minus 200 kg molecules minus 1. The bond dissociation energy of X2 will be 200, 800, 100 and 400. The answer is 200, that is 800. Now how did the answer come? The reaction for delta HXY will be this. Bond energies of X2 and Y2 and XY are bond energy of X2 is X, for Y2 is X by 2, and for X, Y is simply X. Therefore, delta H will be X by 2 plus X by 4 minus X equal to minus 200. From this, we'll get X to be 800 kilojoule upon mole.